Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use uh, predefined component like drawers, chicken, like kitchen drawers and bedroom drawers to simplify predefined component available in uh, Revit architecture. So today here you can see that this is the 3D model is available right now. When I create one wall here, so I will go to top view, then start the wall. Now here you can see that select the wall here. So first of all click this wall. Now I have join this particular direction. This one I have go to joint in the wall here, and it is complete the wall connection. So look at this here, you can see that join this wall here. When I exit from here, so click double cancel and click this wall selection and go to resize in particular wall. So go to property here, right click and down direction go to property, and here you can see that property in this wall, and I change the height. This is here height also. When I put down value 8000, and here you can see that 8000 value I put down and down direction has become. Okay, let's again I will show you architect door here. You can see that door right now. When apply the door and select this wall, so now select this wall here and also make again door, and right click go to cancel, and again right click go to cancel. Here exit on the command. When today I will discuss about how to insert the predefined component. So this is called predefined component. When I click here predefined component, and when put down the particular value, here you can see that value has become this side, but I want top view selection. So right top view, then also which place I want put down. This one is like drawers type. This is here, and also this corner joint, and same thing I have put down this corner here. They are the drawers, many different connection, and also I here this one is furniture type. Here the identify data is put down this furniture here, and this is the desk, this is parking space, and there are many different types of available in this here. So again I will apply the circular here door between connection right now. So look at this, and again change the different other component selection. So I selected this one, and types has been changed from here. Desk table just selected here. So when I right now, if I again change, Here the many different size of table connection. Look at this is the different connection here. If I want get selected in any parking related component has been here you can see that shaded, it's like shaded here. So it is very easy to form create in 3D connection. If I get the any other columns related component has been predefined available here. If I want get the wooden rectangle and metal circular parking related, so this is the many different types of predefined components available in architecture Revit here. So let's again I will show you other connection here. This one is parking and this one is other like that is used for the predefined component and properly change here. When I get another connection, this is tool here, toolbar connection, table connection, drawers connection, and also get here drawers and many it is the simple. So they are the different connection here available. When I show you how to 3D in here you can see that 3D view. So let's go 3D here. This one has been applied the 3D view. When also I want get change this particular view here in top projection, but I want get isometric view, so it's like isometric. This is the tree here like that tree, and this is shaded here shade parking shade available in proper here. This is tree here. When I get show you this one, and also change this is. So right now when I get draws here, when I talking about the draws, this one is many different rack available in predefined model in the house. Same here you can see that this one is also available in draws here. So this is the predefined component available in architecture 3D design. So this different many types of draws we have saved and predefined folder available here. So let's click and keep this area and put down this particular, and we want to get size has been changed. Look at this one is 2600, so I want get 1500, so it is replaced from particular size here. When I get this size I have go to change 34, so it means again go from outside, but I want 33, so it is become inside. So they are very easy to change from position in depend on our selection and whatever it's need. And I get change for 5000, so it means provide the 5000 and replace this position here. So this is very easy to insert the model from architecture 3D design. So today has been complete this session, and do like and subscribe our channel, and